Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Utando Nestembu. Ubamseleku still looks not well, right? Guy went to Emsamo and decided to go to Ayobiga in Dabazakwaki. He announced all the wives and he sort of appreciated all the wives, but he also spoke about they having children and Usbindi as well. Now, this was to tell the ancestors that all these children are having babies, but they are having babies ekhaya. None of them is married, including Usbindi. He was also telling his ancestors ukuthi usibindi angayenza abantwana athuyenzela yena. If he's making kids, let him make kids for himself and he must raise those kids accordingly. Other wives were not part of Umsamo. It's only Umaqele that was there. The party continued. When the party continued, Umseleku then said he appreciated everyone, but said the most important thing, which is to amkela wife number 5. Unfortunately, they disagreed to the other wives. Umakhumalo was the first one to stand up, crushing the whole thing. Mangwabe followed, and then also Ma Yeni was the last one to speak. This means they do not want wife number 5 at this ceremony because wife number 5 is just a girlfriend according to them. I don't know, because it seemed like Badaleli Lobola, or now I don't know. I don't get what's happening, because I thought Masabu Badalelwe Ilobola umfazi walaphayana, or perhaps maybe they still have to do other traditional duties that will fully welcome her as umakoti laphayana. But I don't know. Let me know what you think. Do you think ukuthi Umseleku will bounce back healthy and running anytime soon?